Essential daily care routines for happy and healthy chickens. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the daily care routines essential for ensuring the well-being of your backyard chickens. As an experienced poultry keeper, I'll be sharing valuable insights and tips to help you maintain a thriving and content flock. 1. Feeding. Feeding your chickens a balanced and nutritious diet is fundamental to their health and productivity. It's crucial to provide them with A. Grains. Include a mix of grains like corn, wheat, and barley in their diet for energy. These grains can be offered in a commercial poultry feed or as whole grains. B. Protein. Supplement their diet with protein-rich foods such as mealworms, legumes, or commercial poultry pellets. Protein is essential for egg production, feather growth, and overall health. C. Fruits and vegetables. Offer a variety of fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and leafy greens. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for optimal health. 2. Watering. Chickens require access to clean and fresh water at all times. Ensure they have waterers that are regularly cleaned and refilled. During hot weather, consider adding electrolytes to their water to help them stay hydrated and healthy. 3. Cleaning. A clean coop is vital for preventing diseases and maintaining chicken health. Incorporate into your routine. Remove soiled bedding and replace it with fresh material regularly. Clean and disinfect feeders, waterers, and nesting boxes to prevent the spread of bacteria. Scrub and sanitize the coop floor and walls to eliminate pathogens and pests. 4. Health checks. Regular health checks are essential for identifying any potential issues early. Inspect your chickens for signs of illness or injury, such as abnormal droppings, lethargy, or feather loss. Consult a veterinarian if you notice any concerning symptoms. 5. Pest control. Implement pest control measures to protect your chickens from parasites like mites, lice, and worms. Use appropriate treatments and keep the coop and surrounding areas clean to minimize pest infestations. 6. Biosecurity. Maintain strict biosecurity practices to prevent the introduction and spread of diseases. Limit visitors to your coop, quarantine new birds before introducing them to your flock, then avoid sharing equipment with other poultry owners. By following these daily care routines and staying proactive about your chicken's health, you can ensure a happy and thriving flock for years to come. Happy farming!